In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a line paper in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and we need to simply type in here Word, okay? And simply click on Microsoft Word under the best match and then click on the blank document. Then from here, we just need to simply click on the layout tab first, and then here you'll find margins. Click on the drop down and choose narrow. Okay, so once we have done that, click on the insert tab and then you'll find table. Click on this drop down and click on insert table. Now we have this window. Okay, so you have here the number of columns. Type here 1. And for the number of rows, we just need to change this to like 50 or 54, like that. And then simply click on OK. Okay, so we have this one. And then we just need to simply click on the Home tab. And here we can find this borders. Click on this drop down and choose top border. You can also go with right border, like that. Okay. And now here it is. This is your line paper in Microsoft Word. Okay. Now we can also, okay, just simply select the whole table and then make a right click, and then we need to look for the option border styles. Okay, so we have here the border styles. You can also change the color from here if you want to. Okay, so it's up to you. Now, once you have selected your preference or your requirement, then you're good to go. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.